raising misdemeanors to felonies, but we do need to echo all the time. Alvin Bragg took office, and 52% of the time, he has turned actual felony charges into misdemeanors. Over half. In this situation, he's elevating 34 different misdemeanors to a felony. He still has not explained the legal justification to make that decision. But we saw this laid out a little bit, but I think this is part and parcel of the larger context here, Buck. They're trying to put Trump in a corner where they can get him on some sort of contempt of court charge. I want everybody to think about this, because
absolutely true.
If they come out and say, you're not allowed to talk about the criminal proceedings in this case, they aren't just trying to restrict Trump's ability to publicly combat illegitimate charges. They are trying to...
Oh, boy.